Outsourcing in civil engineering offers firms the ability to expand capacity, gain access to specialized skills, and complete projects more efficiently. It allows design teams to respond to tight deadlines, manage fluctuating workloads, and access advanced technologies without the heavy investment of building those capabilities entirely in-house. However, the success of such collaborations relies heavily on the legal framework established before any work begins. A carefully structured outsourcing contract is the foundation that ensures both parties operate with clarity, accountability, and mutual trust. Without this legal backbone, even the most promising partnership can face delays, disputes, or costly disruptions that undermine the benefits of outsourcing. One of the most important legal considerations is the precise definition of the project scope. Every aspect, from deliverables and technical specifications to file formats, review procedures, and milestone dates, must be documented with absolute clarity. This prevents misunderstandings and creates a shared understanding of what is to be achieved. In civil engineering, where the smallest design change can impact safety, cost, and compliance, such clarity is essential. A contract that leaves room for ambiguity opens the door to conflicting interpretations and potential disputes during the project lifecycle. Compliance with legal and regulatory requirements is another crucial element. Civil engineering projects must align with a range of laws, including environmental protection, safety codes, and zoning rules. A strong outsourcing contract should specify who is responsible for ensuring compliance, how adherence will be monitored, and what happens if regulations change mid-project. AXA Engineers, with over 15 years of industry experience and a proven record of meeting complex regulatory standards, is a trusted partner in this regard. The company has fully equipped all offices with licensed Autodesk Civil 3D software, ensuring both legal compliance and technical excellence in every deliverable. This commitment to lawful and ethical operations reassures clients that their projects meet the highest industry benchmarks. Confidentiality is also a major concern in outsourcing agreements. The exchange of sensitive project information such as site plans, utility designs, and simulation data requires strict safeguards. Non-disclosure clauses within contracts protect this information from misuse or unauthorized sharing. AXA Engineers strengthens these protections by using secure platforms like Autodesk Construction Cloud, which enables encrypted communication, controlled document sharing, and real-time collaboration while maintaining rigorous data protection protocols. By incorporating these safeguards into both contractual and operational processes, AXA Engineers ensures that sensitive client data remains secure from the first draft to final delivery. Ownership of intellectual property is another point that must be addressed clearly. The contract should state who holds the rights to designs, models, and as-built documentation after project completion. Respecting the client's ownership is a hallmark of professionalism, and AXA Engineers embeds this principle into its operational culture. Clients are assured that they will retain full control of their creative and technical assets without concerns about future disputes over usage rights. An effective outsourcing contract also outlines realistic deadlines and includes mechanisms for resolving disputes. Clearly defined schedules, review timelines, and agreed-upon methods for addressing disagreements, such as mediation or arbitration, help prevent conflicts from escalating. These provisions protect both parties and allow them to focus on productive collaboration rather than time-consuming legal battles. AXA Engineers stands out as a partner that brings both technical capability and legal diligence to every engagement. Recognized by Autodesk, featured on the cover of World's Leaders magazine, and ranked #1 in Best Workplaces in Vietnam in 2025, the company has built a reputation for professionalism, compliance, and integrity. These qualities, combined with advanced engineering expertise, ensure that outsourcing partnerships are not only legally sound but also strategically advantageous. In civil engineering outsourcing, legal considerations form the bedrock of a successful collaboration. When these considerations are addressed with precision and care, they create a secure environment where innovation and efficiency can thrive. Partnering with a company like AXA Engineers allows design firms to operate within a framework that safeguards their interests, supports regulatory compliance, and delivers exceptional results. This combination of legal strength and technical excellence makes it possible to achieve both business growth and engineering distinction.